stood on top of their car. Boot delete my old car. He's still. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today you join me in Basingstoke. We're here for HC Meets Snow and also City Smokers. We was at one of their meets yesterday. It was absolutely sick. So we're back once again. The meet started about 5-10 minutes ago. I filmed quite a bit of content in there already, but we're just at the entrance to film arrivals now. So yeah, let's get into the video. We have an R34 4-door arriving. Oh, sounds lovely. Oh, look at the diesel smoke from the Astra. We've got someone still on top of their car for some weird reason. E46 Touring that has literally just done a boot delete in the bush. Got the turbo on display. Well, along with the boot delete, he's also done a bonnet delete. It's now on top of the car. It's my car once again from yesterday. It's back here. That's mad. There we go, there's my old car. We have a very loud Mark II Focus ST. I can hear it popping and banging down the road. Let's see if he revs it when he comes in. .30N, we also have a Golf, got an E46 and a Mark V Golf R32. Get revs from the Golf, sends from the E46. Just seen a CCTV camera sign, and if we look up, the camera's actually moving. Oh, he's pointing at me right now. But yeah, the camera is actually moving. We got an Audi S3. Oh, we got the Mark 1 and the Mark 2 leaving already. They've only been here a while. So they are headed to the second location. We're going to head to the exit. He asked me if I want to see a bird out. I don't know what he just shouted. Got the Supreme Mark 8. Number plate is fading. You've seen that? He's like, why are you filming me? Oh, we got the Micra. We got Rob in his Micra. It's lifted that. Got an Omax. The Mark II that was parked next to me over in the car park. sounds so good. All the diesel smoke. Got my old car. We've got a very clean looking E46. So there's not many cars left in the car park. We got the E46 Touring being put onto the trailer because it's not actually road legal now. I'm not sure if it's working or not because there's something up with the fuel pump and it's only just been mapped, so I'm not sure if it's actually working or not. They were supposed to head to the second location where we got a micro parked on the curb. This was actually lifted, but now it looks like it's been lowered. Oh my god, I missed the first part. Overshot it. Oh, he stalled. And it's not starting. There we go. I'm actually watching a Fiesta do a burnout right now. We're now going to smell a smoke. From everyone's reaction of everyone leaving, I think the police might have arrived. Yeah, we've got the police just there. So there is a brand new location which everyone is heading to. It's only about 3 miles away from here, so we're gonna get back in the Mark 1, but it's sitting so lovely over there. So we have now made it to the third location, which is just over here. We've parked right out of the way, but as we was trying to find a parking space out of the way, the police actually drove past into this location, so yeah, I'm not sure what it's going to be like. I'm not sure how many people are here. I couldn't get over the speed bump, so that's the reason why I've parked right out of the way out of everyone. So yeah, let's go check it out. Well, usually this is the car park everyone goes to, but we've just got here and no one's here. Not even one modified car in sight. The police have just got here, but there's actually no cars in there, so they're going to turn right around. All the cars are now coming in from the meet. So we have just been sent to the next location, so we're going to head there a little bit early before everyone, just so we can capture arrivals. But yeah, see once we get there. It's about 2 miles away from this location, and the police have yet to leave, and modified cars keep driving past. So yeah, we'll see what happens in the next one, I guess. We got here at a good time. Oh my god. We got to this location at a very, very good time. They're all going to head to this car park just down here, and hopefully people send it. But that Chaser and the E46, and I got there at a good time. Like, I literally just turned the camera on and that's when that happened. from this location. We have the security just over there, so it's not going to be long until the police show up. But yeah, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. That was it for City Smokers North Soho HC Meets. Absolutely sick night once again. Yesterday was sick as well, so that video should be up soon. But yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed. If you are new to our channel, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe. And if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow, because we're getting very close to 3,000 over there. So if we could hit it, that would be sick. But yeah, that's it for now. I will catch you all on my next one. Peace out.